20 minutes is all you need to create this delicious beef stir fry, which is loaded with lots of nutrients and it's high in protein. The beef is tender and has a very nice umami flavor, and this recipe is worth making for lunch or dinner because everything is perfect and so delicious. To make this recipe, you need some steak because it cooks super fast. And my steak has a little bit of fat, which I don't mind because fat equals to flavor. I'm going to slice along the grains of the beef or the muscle fibers, and doing that is going to help the meat to cook super fast. And also absorb the sauce that you're going to be making in a few. When done chopping up my beef, I'm going to transfer it to a bowl. Then in my bowl, I'm going to be adding in some cornstarch. Make sure all the pieces are coated with the cornstarch. And then next, you're going to move to your stove top and place a pan over medium flame and add in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Spread the oil in my pan. Then I'm going to be searing my beef for around 2 minutes. And the cornstarch is going to work magic because your beef is going to be so crispy on the outside. So I'm going to transfer the beef into the cooking oil. Make sure the beef is in a single layer, just like this. My beef is well seared, so I'm going to reduce the flame to medium-low. Transfer to a plate. You can catch a very nice aroma in the kitchen from searing the beef. Then I'm going to add in 1 small onion to my pan. Add in a little bit more cooking oil, around a tablespoon, so that I can cook my onions. Stir in the onions, and then I'm going to be cooking for around a minute until the onions are soft. And because I want to serve my beef stir fry over some noodles, I'm going to place another pot over medium flame and add in 1.5 cups of water. Cover and let the water come to a boil while I check on my onions. Now I'm going to add in some crushed garlic and ginger, which is 4 cloves of garlic because I love the taste of garlic, and a teaspoon of grated ginger. Stir in. You're going to cook your garlic and ginger for around 30 seconds until it's very flavorful and the raw garlic flavor is gone. When your onions are very flavorful, you're going to add in your bok choy, red capsicum. Remember, I'm using medium-low flame, so the bok choy is going to wilt down as it cooks and absorb in the garlic and ginger flavor together with the onions. And while my veggies are cooking, I'm going to make my sauce for my stir fry. So in a small bowl, you're going to be adding in some dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, sugar, and a 1/4 cup of water. Stir in all the ingredients to combine. And my sauce is ready. So I'm going to place the sauce aside. Back to my pan. Check on my bok choy and it's wilted down. Cook my veggies for another 30 seconds. Check on my water, which has come to a boil. So I'm going to add in my noodles. So this is 2 bricks of noodles into the pot. Then I'm going to add the sauce that comes with the noodle packaging and cook for around 3 to 4 minutes. This is how my bok choy and capsicum is looking, and as you can see, the bok choy has softened up. So I'm going to add back my beef, which is so juicy and looking delicious. Toss all the ingredients together. Add in some black pepper and salt. Check on my noodles and use a fork to separate the noodles. Back to my stir fry. I mean, this is looking so good. Yeah, so I'm going to add in my sauce. Then I'm going to toss all the ingredients together until fully combined. After adding in your sauce, you're going to cook for an extra 3 minutes so that the beef can soak in all the nice flavors. And because soy sauce is high in sodium, there's no need to add in some salt, so the dish is going to be fully seasoned. I'm ready to serve my delicious beef stir fry over some noodles, and everything is looking totally delicious. So I'm going to put out the flames. I know you noticed that I added in the sauce that comes with the packaging, so that is going to add in flavor in my noodles. So if you don't like the chili parts, you can add in the bumbo sauce and the noodles are going to be perfect. So I have my bowl over here. Then I'm going to top up with some fresh vegetables, which are going to add in some crunch. In a matter of 20 minutes, my lunch is ready and it's looking so gorgeous. I have my beef stir fry, which has turned out perfect. The beef is tender and very flavorful. My noodles are perfectly cooked and I've topped up with some vegetables for some extra nutrients and crunch. Hope you'll be giving this recipe a try and it will turn out amazing.